Hi everybody. Welcome back to another mini video about VNClagoon AI. In this video, I'll show you the way to use a large language model on VNClagoon AI with Intel NPU acceleration. Firstly, you need to download large language model Qwen 3-8b, int4cw, OV from the AI drop-down menu. Once the model has been downloaded, you need to open AI Preferences again. Scroll down to Supported Models section and select the model to use for local AI processing. Finally, click Reload Model and Save to use the configured LLM. When you open Preferences again, you will see that the read notification about the local LLM has changed to green now, informing you that the local LLM is ready. Let's ask Vincent a simple question about open source. The response is generated almost immediately, and on the right side, the task manage indicates that the NPU is being utilized to process the output. Next, we can turn on the Use Internal Data option to let the AI reference internal information. I will now ask Vincent to describe VNClagoon in 5 main points. Here you can see, providing clear and specific prompts helps the AI better understand the intent and generate more relevant, accurate responses. VNClagoon AI allows users to select different LLMs that can run not only on the GPU but also on the NPU, providing flexibility and improved performance. Watch the next videos to learn more about VNClagoon AI. Thank you.